Hello everyone. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Santi Gous. I am a registered hiking guide and owner of Fynbos Whisperer professionally guided hikes. And we are based here in Cape Town, South Africa, where we are surrounded with magnificent. Let me show you. There is Table Mountain. Our mission at Fynbos Whisperer is to unlock the mountains, connecting clients with beauty and untamed nature through authentic, well-curated hiking adventures. We take care of the nitty-gritty. We plan the route, we know the distances, the elevation gains, where is the best spot to stop for coffee and a fantastic view, and keeping you safe in the mountains. To book your private guided hike or one of our pre-scheduled open guided group hikes, contact me at Santi, that's spelled S-A-N-T-I-E, at fynboswhisperer.co.za. Santi, S-A-N-T-I-E, at fynboswhisperer.co.za. See you in the mountains!